How are you today? I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for asking me. Have you eaten at this morning? Great. Are you ready to study? Great. Before we start our lesson today, it will be better to start by reciting basmalah together. Let me check the attendance list. Sakina, Reza, Rifki. In addition, I have to tell you about our learning objective. One, to understanding the concept of factory story. Two, the structure of intrinsic and extrinsic. Three, down the factory story. Four, the creativity and imagination. Do you know what is story? Great. Story is tell about our lives, what's going on in our lives, and what's going on in others people. Do you ever hear someone's story? Good, thank you for your nice story. That is one of the example of as we know, story can be our journey or others people journey. You been makes a story or write down. So we are going to discuss about the factored. Factored story is a little bit different with story. Factored story is story that change from the original story. Our learning today is talk about a little reading hood. The story has our original story, and I had been mentioned previous is changed from the original story. So it means the original story modified to modified for makes story more interest after modified. I will show you the difference between the original story with factory story. The original story in this factory story. The original story is half as short sense. The short story. And factory story is so many sentences here. And this is one of example about factory story. This story has been modified from original story. Have any questions so far about our learning? Okay, I already done to give you the explanation about the story, the literate reading, and the next section is you have to discuss with you have to discuss by yourself without your friends. I give you just 1 minute. Time is up. Pay attention. After you has been answering the question and the problems that I got, you have to discuss in pairs. Every single people here have to make a pairs to discuss about the problem that I get. And I give you just 1 minute. Okay, time is up. Pay attention, everybody. I will divide you into 6 groups, and each group stand by 4 persons. Give you 1 minute to discuss about the problems with your friends in your group. Time is up. After I'll divide you into 6 groups. I will divide you again into 3 groups that you have to discuss about the problems when you get in previous groups. And I give you 2 minutes to discuss about the problem. After that, you have to present the results. We already done to discuss about a reading book, and I give you quiz based on your discuss. The quiz is leader reading on going to the nice answer. I hope you will enjoy our learning today, and I hope you will understand about our learning. So, do you have any questions? Who wants to give the conclusion about our learning today? You have to face the problems, and don't be afraid when you get a problems. And the problems will make you will make you. Now we are at the end of the lesson. I will give you the task. The task is make summarize about your story when you're going to the vacation or something else, and you have to call it in the next meeting. And for the next meeting, our lesson talk about storytelling. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Before we closing our lesson today by reciting Hamdalah together. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Before we closing our lesson today by reciting Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.